Okay, hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your photographs into Adobe Lightroom CC or Creative Cloud. So first of all, what you have to do is you are going to click on Add Photos up here, and then it's going to come up with a dialog box with your photographs, but sometimes you will have to obviously locate it here. If you have an SD card, it will show up right here. You just open it up. So here are some photographs. I am going to just select a range of these photographs. And what I would recommend that you do is select all of them, all of the new photographs that have not yet been imported. So I'm just going to select this row right here, these two rows. And then I'm going to go Review for Import. So here are the photographs, and I can deselect all. I wouldn't recommend just importing, like if I think that this one looks nice, I wouldn't not import the other ones because of that, because it's really important to import all of your photographs. And then you can have a look at them on a bigger screen, in a bigger format, etc. So I'm just going to select the first one, hold down Shift, and select the last one. However, if there were a couple of photographs that were not yours, that were clearly not good or whatever, you're going to hold down Command or Control on a PC, and you are going to deselect some. Okay, so now they're deselected. I'm going to click on them again to reselect them, and I'm going to just click on one box, and now they're all checked. Now what I have to do is click on Add 10 Photographs. And here they are. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new album right here with my photographs so that I can keep them nice and organized. So I'm going to select all of my photographs right here by holding down the Shift key. I'm going to click on the plus, and I'm going to create an album, call it Flowers, and I'm going to check Include the 10 selected photographs. Create. Now what I have to do is double click on a photograph, so I'm just selecting that one, and I'm going to decide now which one is the best. Okay, so this one obviously has better exposure, so I'm going to give it a 3, but these ones could also be quite interesting because they have not yet been edited. These are raw files, so if I click on the editing panel, we can see if I brighten it up a little bit, if I increase the shadows a little bit, if I give it a curves adjustment, if I blacken the blacks a little bit, etc. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with the edits. But basically, I started the first one. I give it a number. Maybe I'm going to give that a 3. So for me, a 1 star is eyes are closed or it's out of focus or whatever. So that photograph is not going to work out. So I would just give it a 1. A 2 is a maybe, and a 3 is, yeah, I quite like that shot. Now, a 3 could become a 2. So right here, I'm going to give that one maybe a 3, and then that one, let's say a 1. This one right here, let's give that a 3. 1, 1. I don't like the composition as much, perhaps. So let's say maybe a 2, and let's give that a 3. So now, let's say, for example, if you had taken 200 shots, now you only want to look at your 3-star. And the way to do that is you click on the little filter at the top. And now over here on the left, you're going to go equal to or greater than 3 stars. So I have 5 photographs here now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here you can go through each one and you can do an edit, maybe work on your contrast, etc., your point curve, your light, colors, and all of that kind of thing. Okay, we're not going to get into that right now. That's in another video. So once you're ready to export your shots, all you have to do, if you just want to export one shot, you just click on that one shot, and then you're going to click on the little arrow pointing up, and you're going to click on JPEG large, and you export it to wherever you want it to go. If you want all of your shots, you can do that as well by holding down Shift. You click on the first one, you click on the last one, and then you're going to do the same thing by clicking on the up arrow. Okay, so the best way to practice this is to open up Adobe Lightroom CC and to get going.